It is nothing short of a miracle that we managed to progress forward on the boat build. Most days passed without any sleep, staying up almost every night from the pain, watching the sun rise in the morning. Feeling like absolute death, trying to become normal somehow, while I just sit and wait for Mark to show up, whenever and however Mark chooses to show up. Many days we would get started on work only for us to have to stop suddenly and go to the doctors. Come back, start up again, stop, doctors yet again. Maybe now we can start.
Amy!
Huh?
Amy!
What?
Ants and ants! Oh! Amy!
What is
A
it?
bird!
Oh my god.
Amy!
I can't hear you.
Amy!
I
Hey!
can't hear
Ghosts!
you. Goats? Get him, boy. Get him. Okay, for real, maybe now we can start. This is a template of the top that we had cut out and suspended by string. Before we could fasten the top of the boat, we had to adjust each and every single rib like a chiropractic adjustment to make sure everything was leveled properly. Level up! Mind you, it was no easy task getting in and out of the boat every single time to work on it. It was just crazy.
We bring work to the food.
This is breakfast right here, but really, we're at the point of flipping the boat.
3 steps, right?
Yes.
We have the 3 steps right here. You have to memorize them.
Position.
As the first.
Technique. Location.
We have to focus on location.
So this is the boat. We have the neck. We're gonna make a trench in the ground, put 4 floaters, and then
forget about phone.
rotate it on top of the floaters. Like so, to where the neck falls right into the trench. Easy plan, we'll see how well it's executed. Side note, I wanted to build a boat hoist, but this partnership is 50-50, so that got voted off. The day has come. Initially we had a plan, but then my younger sister insisted with such confidence that she could do it on her own, and so this is how it all unfolded. Oh Lord. Oh my gosh.
You good?
No, she doesn't seem like it. Oh my lord. But then what? Oh shoot. I don't think this is a good idea. How you doing?
Amazing.
This is
How are
crazy.
you doing? That's a great
I'm
either getting dizzy or sleepy.
so nervous.
This thing keeps shaking.
The faster we do it, jump back, it's gonna fall on it.
What?
It's gonna fall on it. Well, you don't need to
What do you
stop it
mean?
to hold it. It's not gonna have time to push it back.
What are you trying to do? Hold on. You want to pull it down from the bottom? That's it?
No, push it and flip it, and it'll go so fast.
How are we going to push and flip that fast?
Okay, put it slowly. Watch it.
No.
We should have never been convinced by her confidence.
She's too confident for no reason.
I know.
Oh, guys just go put the boat, that's it.
Uncle Adol's idea was so much better. Oh, Lord of mercy. 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 Ah! Oh, oh, the head is touching. Oh, shoot. Well, it worked.
What the heck? Hold on. Let's not do anything.
Oh my gosh.
What do you think, this table?
Where? On this guy?
On this side here?
Yeah, go for it. Go for
Right?
it. It's emergency mode.
Ow, ow.
Oh shoot. What are you doing, Angie?
Oh my god, look at the ants on this.
The one day Angie comes into the garage. She did it. She somehow did it. We're all damaged and destroyed, and Mark is bleeding. Well, Angie won the bet on that one, and Mark is officially falling apart, but catch us on the next episode when Buttercup gets a body.